Last class we are studied about the factors which are affecting in the formation of soil. Today we are going into classification of soil, the different types of soil. In that the most important one, the first one is alluvial soil. Where can we see the alluvial soil in India? Mostly in northern plains region. You might have heard about the northern plains region in the 9th class. This is the second geographical feature of our country. Together with the northern plains, we are able to see this soil in the western coastal plains and in the eastern coastal plains. Why we can see this soil in these places? In the northern plains and the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. Mostly rivers are flowing through these regions. And these rivers brought these sediments, this soil, and deposited in these places. We have studied about the rivers last year. Their names: Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. These are the North Indian and the peninsular rivers in India. So these rivers are responsible for the formation of alluvial soil in these places. Now this alluvial soil is good for the cultivation of different types of crops because of its fertility. And together with that, mostly people living in these places wherever this alluvial soil is deposited. So because of the fertility of this soil, the good amount of production is going on in these places, and together with that, the people are also living in these places. We can divide the alluvial soil on the basis of its age into two, Bangar and Khadar. Bangar is the old alluvial soil and Khadar is the new alluvial soil. Khadar has more fine particles, and because of that, Khadar is more fertile than Bangar. This soil contains potash, phosphoric and lime, and which are ideal for the growth of sugarcane, rice and wheat in this soil. So alluvial soil is the most important soil. Now we are going to the second one, black soil, which is otherwise called as rigor soil. Black soil. We can see black soil mostly in the Deccan Trap region. Black soil is formed because of the flow or movement of lava. Parent rock material is the main reason for the formation of black soil. Locally it is called as rigor soil. It is good for the growth of cotton. But there is a problem for this soil. If it is wet, if this soil is wet, it is difficult to do work on this soil. It is made up of with the clay materials. And this soil holds calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash and lime. So this soil is formed because of the flow of lava. And in India we can see this soil mostly in the Deccan Trap region. So this soil is not that much fertile like the alluvial soil. And you know, Ahmedabad, Maharashtra, this type of areas, mostly the cotton cultivation is going on because of the presence of this soil over there. Okay.